Hello everyone, I'm Agrobah. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make low poly rocks like these in Blender. So first, you want to press Shift A, create a new mesh, and make it a UV sphere. Next, press Tab to change to edit mode. Make sure you are on the vertices mode right here. You're going to want to press S to scale and press Z to make it on the Z axis and make it a little taller, like this. Then you want to go over here to the knife tool, hold down click, and change it to bisect. From here, you're going to be cutting off parts of the sphere we just made, and then you're going to want to click clear outer and then fill. Then press A and do it again. Find a new spot, cut it. This time I'm going to click clear inner, then fill. Whichever way this yellow arrow is pointing is the outer side. So if the part you cut is behind the arrow, you will press clear inner. But if the part you cut is outside the arrow, you press clear outer and then fill. So you're going to want to keep continuing to cut up the sphere to make it into a rock shape. You don't have to do anything specific, just keep cutting it. Once you've gotten the top cut up, you can now switch to cutting them downwards like this to cut up the bottom. Once you've got it all cut up, you can now press 1 or 3 on your numpad, and then you want to cut off the bottom in a straight line. Which will now give a flat bottom to your rock. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make a low poly rock in Blender. Now you can select it and export it whichever way you want. For me, I export it as an FBX. Then I can go into Roblox Studio, import my FBX file, drag my rock into the workspace, scale it down, then I can just change the color in-game and give it a texture. Now I've got all these unique rocks. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple and easy for beginners. Have fun making your rocks in Blender. See you guys next time.